Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a little tutorial for you. This is just kind of an easy, everyday kind of look. Over here, I have to get that off, but I didn't use eyeliner here because I want you to be able to see that you don't need to use eyeliner for every look. But if you do like eyeliner, then I have some on over here. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this, just keep watching. It's really short and sweet. Thank you. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a voiceover. I'm using the Give Them Lala Beauty Palette. And the first shade I'm going to use is called Blushing. I'll show you in just a second. I just want you to see the palette. This is pretty mauve pink. I think it would also work well as a blush. I'm finding a brush because I'm unprepared. And I'm deciding on just a regular shadow brush. It's a little fluffy. And that's my kitty cat. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is stamp the color on. Make sure I'm blending it nicely. And then here I'm just blending it into my crease. And making sure it's down, blended in, towards my eyelashes. I'm going in back one more time just to build up the color. Okay, I went ahead and I'm going to only do one eye on camera, so, because I'm just doing the same thing. So the next shade I'm going to use is this one in the middle. It's a shimmery, kind of golden, champagne-y shade. And again, not prepared with my brushes like I should be. Oh, I found one. So this one's like another kind of shadow brush, but it's got a little bit longer bristles and not so densely packed. And I started a little farther out than I meant to, but I am focusing this color just on the inner corner. I decided while I was doing it. But in doing so, it's going to make your eyes pop because all of the light will be hitting towards the inner corner of your eye. Just building and building. Just wanting you to see it. It's a little bit more intense in person. Oh, I better add more. Okay, so I'm satisfied with that. Okay, so I have both eyes done. And I'm showing you how it turned out. And next I'm going to try to show you that I'm using the Maybelline eyeliner in the shade black, but I guess I forget that I can't get my camera to focus when it's on facing me because it's just my phone. Yeah, I couldn't get it to work. I just should have done that. It's black. Looking for my eyeliner brush. Can't find it. Oh, there it is. So I'm just using a longer bristled eyeliner brush. So I'm just going to apply this right to my eyelash line, as you can see. If I were more confident in my skills to do a wing, I probably would have done a winged eyeliner. But I also want this to be kind of a look that beginners can do, which is why I also only am doing eyeliner on one side so you can see how it looks with eyeliner. Oop, Or if you don't use eyeliner, you don't have to use it because I think it's really pretty without it. So, just doing my eyeliner. I probably should have cut this out, but I'm just going to leave it. What I like about that eyeliner is that it's kind of, it's a little bit dried just because I've had it opened for a while. But it is easier for me to work with, so I'm not like accidentally putting on too much and then it's smearing everywhere. And if you've never seen anybody use eyelash curlers, here you go. Not sure why I put that in there. Okay, so I have my mascara I wanted to show you. It's the CSA London XXL or triple shot XXL mascara. Alright, and there's the final look, and there's the side without eyeliner. As you can see, it's still beautiful. Yeah, I know, I'm weird. Okay, so I look like a ghost, so I was like, I need to add some bronzer to my nose. Because I've probably looked crazy this whole video. Yeah, just adding bronzer. Didn't do. Maybe a little more. Just kind of contour my nose. Okay, so what are we going to do about these lips? I got this little baby from Ipsy. It was an add-on. It's from Lottie Lips, I think it's called. And now, if you've never watched somebody apply liquid lip, here you are. You're welcome. Completely didn't notice that I smudged it on the outside. And my lip has this weird little spot down there. I don't know what it is. My Cupid's bow that I fight with all the time. Feel free to skip ahead if you're bored. What is that? Yeah, what did I do to myself? Well, let's try to fix it and make it worse. Yep, we made it worse. Such is life. Oh well. Good thing I'm only putting this on the internet. It'll do. Yeah. So I totally forgot to do my lower lash line. If you're still here, thank you. You'll get to see the finished look. So I'm just taking what's left on the brush and going underneath my lower lashes. And then I'm going to put some mascara on. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you would like to. It would mean so much to me. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.